Welcome to the hormone video series by your GYNNP, all about bioidentical hormones, myths, and facts. First, don't you wonder, just what are bioidentical hormones? Bioidentical hormones are the same molecule as the hormone made by your ovaries. Surprising bonus information. The bioidentical hormones estrogen, estradiol, and progesterone, micronized progesterone, are made in the lab from soy and yams. The fact is that the body does not recognize estrogen and progesterone, soy and yam molecules in their natural state. Therefore, bioidentical hormones must be made in the lab from soy and yams. You also need to know what is the difference between a compounded hormone prescription and a standardized hormone prescription. Compounded hormones are estrogen or progesterone, usually bioidentical, that are prepared from an individual prescription and mixed with an inactive carrier, usually a cream or a pellet. A standardized hormone prescription is made in carefully controlled conditions that is the same from pill to pill or cream to cream. A standardized prescription, unlike a compounded prescription, has several safety advantages. It has been tested with strict quality control. You know exactly what medication you are receiving, and you know how much you are absorbing with each dose. 3 bioidentical hormone myths. Bioidentical hormone myth number 1. The only way to get a prescription for bioidentical hormones is with a compounded hormone prescription. Bioidentical hormone myth number 2. Bioidentical hormone replacement is never covered by insurance. Bioidentical hormone myth number 3. Bioidentical hormones are more expensive than non-bioidentical hormones. Stay with me. Here comes the best part. 4 bioidentical hormone facts. Bioidentical hormone fact number 1. Any licensed provider of women's health can prescribe an FDA-approved, standardized prescription for bioidentical estrogen and/or progesterone. Bioidentical hormone fact number 2. Standardized FDA-approved prescriptions are safer than compounded hormones for 7 reasons. See your GYNNP's video, Compounded Hormones, Safe or Scam. This is really important. Bioidentical hormone fact number 3. Unlike compounded hormones, many brands of standardized bioidentical estrogen, estradiol, patches, creams, rings, mists, gels, and vaginal rings are covered by insurance. Bioidentical progesterone, micronized progesterone, may or may not be covered by insurance. Bioidentical hormone fact number 4. In case the standardized bioidentical hormone prescription is not covered, it is usually less expensive. And remember, safer than the compounded bioidentical hormone prescription. Now, before you get your next standardized bioidentical hormone prescription, you know that you can get your prescription from your own GYN doctor or NP. Fill your prescription at your own pharmacy, and most probably save money too. Learn more surprising facts about hormone replacement at yourgynNP.com. You will find other videos plus printable summaries about and coming soon, your GYNNP's incontinence video series, bladder problems and predicaments. Help yourgynNP.com make more videos. Please subscribe to our channel.